Hi, previously we have seen how interfaces are working in Golang. We will see how composition works in Golang. We will use it instead of inheritance. When do we use inheritance? For example, one of the use cases when we have code duplication, we don't want to do that because we want to follow the dry principles. Don't repeat yourself. And this is a very good use case for using inheritance. And in Golang, it's a very good use case for using composition. Let's open our previous example and let's see what we did last time. We've created two packages. One of them was called current account, and that was just following an interface which we defined in contracts, where we must implement balance, which gets an integer, deposit, and a withdraw. Deposit, actually you pay in money. Withdraw, you withdraw money from your bank account. And the difference between the two implementation, the balance in one case adds an interest, in the other one it will like subtract a cost. Let's see what we can do to simplify this and remove the code duplication. First, what we have to do, we create another folder called account. That will be our base account. New folder, account. New file, account. Go. Let's call it package account. And let's start picking things what we need. Let's create a struct. We don't need a new n in this case. What this is, the display balance is different, but the pay to deposit is identical. The withdraw is also identical. So let's pick those one out from here. And this is my base class. No, it's not a class because we don't have classes in Golang, but this is my base struct base implementation. Let's do the composition. Let's go to the current account, and in a struct just use something like, let's export this, base account, I need to export this and just use base account here, which is part of account. And this means that because base account implements deposit and withdraw, I can remove deposit and withdraw here, and a small change. I have to refer to the base account struct to get the balance. I have to change the balance in the base account class to exportable because we do cross-package things. And this seems to be ready. Let's go to the saving account and do the same. And account, base account, it's automatically imported for me. Remove whatever is repeating, and we already have the base account, and change the A balance to A base account and capital case balance. Clear it and run it. What we see, it's a little bit different result what I was expecting. Let's see why. I guess the problem is with the initial balance, how we set that. So we have to refactor a little bit our code because we don't need the balance anymore. We have another struct with the balance, not this struct. So I have to return A, and this way I can modify the base account balance with my initial balance. Let's try again. But as you can see, we fixed the first one. That means that we have to apply the same logic in another class. That was a saving account. Let's go to current account. Apply the same logic. We don't need the balance anymore. Let's try again. And now the values are back in the original state. What we did, we removed the code duplication. So basically the composition what Golang uses, that we can embed one struct into another struct. And we can use the functions in the struct and in the embed the struct as well, the same way as we did before. If I go to the main Go, you'll see that I'm not referring to the withdraw and deposit as bank account dot base account. I still use the bank account dot balance, bank account dot balance, bank account dot deposit, regardless of that they are in two different structures. One of them is the base account, and another one is the actual deposit account or saving account implementation. And in the next episode, we will see how we can handle errors in Golang. It's quite different from other languages, and it's a well-debated subject. Some people hate, some doesn't. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow and go along with me. Bye.